Kei te riri I tētahi kai whakatipu tio ki roto o te puna me waikare I te pē o te whairangi, I te maha o ngā tio I whānako hia I aia I ngā kuanei. Kei amana e peha ngā whakamahuki.
He hiriwā o te moana. Ko puku te rai o Alan Brain, kai ahu moana, ko te mahi tāhei hoki rā te take.
In the last 2 or 3 years it's got really prolific and the amount of oysters that are getting taken out is in the tens of thousands of dollars and it's devastating the industry.
I ngā tau e toru ko pahemo, ko puki ake te rahinga o ngā tio e tāhei niana, nā kona I tahuringa tangata pēnei I a Alan ki te moi I te moana.
I'm taking my boat down and sleeping in the boat overnight to stop the nighttime theft, and in the daytime I have various hills that I can look over the farm from with binoculars.
He raruraru hoki tēnei puta noa I te raki.
Until there's heavy fines and jail terms imposed to make it unattractive for these people to steal from us, nothing really is much going to change. There's not a judge in the country that wouldn't lock their car or their house, and we don't have that advantage with an oyster farm. We can't get security guards, we can't padlock it.
I roto I ngā mahi ahu moana kua kite ake tātou, he mahanga papa toitoitanga kei mua I te hunga whakahaere. Ā ka tuku mā rātou anō o rātou pāmu e haumaru. Nā te ngoikore pēo o ngā whakawā te take. Hoi, I aine nā ka tiro ake tātou, he aha te tirohanga a te hunga tāhai.
Don't do this for selling to the black markets. Because to be honest, I don't even think they should be farming our waters. My family, my hapu, those that can't get it themselves, the best place for these resources to be shared and used for the benefit of our people.
Well, we have property rights. We lease the seabed from the Crown, and so that gives us property rights. It costs us hundreds of thousands of dollars to set these farms up.
The Crown's now given them permission to use our resources, in which we've always used. And now it's like, to me, it'd be like my land.
That doesn't apply. Private property is private property.
Mana e piha atu I te pē o whairangi mo te karere.